Hi, welcome to the Raspberry Pi Garage Door Opener tutorial. Today we're going to show you what's included in our kit and how to get it started. So here we have the Raspberry Pi located in our small black box, and what's included in the kit is we have these two wires, which is what you're going to hook up to the garage door opener, and a sensor which is going to show you whether it's open or closed. First up, you're going to plug in your power supply, which is through this micro USB cable right here. Second, you're going to need an HDMI cable so that you can hook it up to your monitor. Thirdly, you're going to need a mouse and a keyboard, which is USB powered. Now there are 4 USB ports on the side of this, so you could plug in as many appliances as you need. But for this tutorial, you're just going to need a keyboard and a mouse. Once you have everything hooked up, you can plug in the power supply into an available outlet. Okay, now we're going to turn on the power for the Raspberry Pi. So once you have your Raspberry Pi plugged in, it's going to load up and show the screen. You're just going to let it load, let it do its thing. Everything is already pre-installed and pre-configured, so you should just boot up right to your desktop. Now you're going to need your mouse and keyboard so that you can connect to your Wi-Fi. That way you can set it up, get the password in, and then load up the page that you need to so that you can see the Garage Door Opener application work. Here we are on our desktop. The first thing you're going to need to do is go up to the Wi-Fi symbol up here and connect to your available Wi-Fi. Now, you click on the Wi-Fi that you have and you're going to type in your password. Press enter and it should automatically connect. There we go. Now, if you hover over the Wi-Fi icon, you're going to see an IP address pop up. You're going to want to write this down on a sheet of paper so that you could type it into your browser later on. Once you have that written, you're going to go to your internet browser, which is on the top left hand corner, and you're going to type it in. Once you type in the IP address, this page should pop up, and this is the Garage Door Opener application that will work on any phone, tablet, Mac, PC, or any device you're going to use to open up your garage. So now we're going to test the components of the Raspberry Pi. Here, if you take the sensors connected to the Raspberry Pi and put them back and forth next to each other, it'll show the open and closed icon on the screen. Afterwards, you also want to click the button, and your Raspberry Pi will make a ticking noise to test the rally inside the component. With this, the Raspberry Pi setup is now complete. Now I'm going to unplug it from the power source to give it a reboot, and it should automatically start up and connect to the Wi-Fi so that you don't have to use a monitor again. We're going to test this real quick. Watch the startup happen, and it should automatically connect to your Wi-Fi. We are loaded up to the desktop and already connected to our Wi-Fi. So now everything is complete. From this point, we're now ready to unhook everything and move all the components into the garage so that it can be set up to our garage door opener. Now I'm going to show you how you can add the application onto your home screen so you can easily access the garage door opener. You're going to open up your browser and you're going to type in the IP address. Once you have that typed in, you're going to click the little arrow at the bottom of the screen, scroll to the right until you see add to home screen, and you can name it whatever you like. For this example, I'm going to name it Garage Door Opener. You're going to press add, and when you go to your home screen and open it up, it should easily open up the application.